I know some.
Wow.
If you have interest in coding, I'm gonna spark that for you. I'm gonna make you understand everything, because once your basics are clear, you can walk, like you can go and you can learn new things from by yourself.
Hi everyone, today we have Sanjay sir with us. He is our full stack trainer at Let's Upgrade. So sir, my first question would be, what all are your achievements and your experiences?
Okay, before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sanjay Kumar, and I have been working as a full stack developer with a startup. And now I'm working as a trainer in Let's Upgrade. And as of achievement, I have successfully rolled out 3 or 4 commercial applications,
Oh.
and you can maybe find out on the Play Store also. These are some of my achievements, and as in a development journey, as you move on, you grow and you get more achievements. And I think being a trainer is also one of my biggest achievement.
No
So
doubt,
this
no
is
doubt.
what.
So let's say a student is having some kind of doubt. So how do you tackle that situation?
So first and foremost thing I do is to make my student comfortable. Like, don't worry, I'm not your teacher. I'm just your friend, and I'm just a co-worker. So we are working in a team. It's a team, and we are just learning to build some new things and products, and that's
It's a
all.
group project
So don't
basically.
yeah. So that's the thing, just to make the student comfortable, so that sometimes they just feel shy to ask some silly questions. But the problem lies in the silly questions only, because common sense is not so common, because the basic stuff is the basis of everything. So that's why. And the second thing is to, if I just found out what's the reason of his or her doubt, then I will break the problem into a real world problem, because
Giving
so
some
that they can
practical
relate.
examples.
Yeah,
That's
some practical examples, because in some cases, if a student is completely new to programming, they just find so much intimidating, that what is zeros and ones and what's programming, how the computer is understanding things. So I just like to make things easier.
So sir, in Let's Upgrade's full stack program, in this total 6 months of course, what do you teach? What are the tools?
To understand full stack, first need to understand. First, I will explain everyone. Like,
Yeah.
full stack is a complete journey. It will enable you to make complete products. And throughout our journey, we will first cover basics. Then we will develop something. Look, development is the best part of
Implement
learning
those
this full stack
basics into some kind of
concept.
project or
Yes,
example.
exactly. Okay. And also, I choose some interesting projects only. Like, I never go for some to-do list, or like just to fetch something from the
Okay,
internet.
okay, okay,
I
okay.
just try to make some kind of games or some kind of things that are intuitive from the beginning only.
We usually know students' perspective, what they want from the institute or from the trainer. But as a trainer, I would like to ask you, what do you expect from a student?
From a student, I just only want one thing, just a single thing: just be consistent. Just be consistent, and everything I'm going to handle for you. Just be consistent. Take a class, and if any case you are gonna miss the class, please just revisit the class. And second thing, do whatever I'm saying you to do. I'm not going to ask you to do like a huge stuff. I'm just going to ask you to do small things. Just go to a browser and do this thing. Just go to a browser and find this thing. Most I can going to ask you for to is make a Google search. That's all. And just be consistent, because if you're not consistent, it shows like you are not sincere and serious about the thing. And let me tell you, being a developer is a very, very serious job. And as a full stack developer, it's a very serious job, because if in any case, if you mess up with the backend code, your whole site is going to crash. So it's a very serious job that you should take seriously.
Sir, I'm really curious and I want to know what exactly sparked the thing inside you. Okay, you want to become a trainer. What was the spark?
When I was, I think when I was in 10th class, I joined my first institute for the coaching, and the program language they taught me was C. And when I was learning there, I felt like they're not trying to make me understand things. They are just covering up the syllabus so that they get the fees at the end of the
Checking
day.
all the topics that okay, this are being covered. You're good
Okay,
to go.
this is the for loop, if and how to do the things. And I felt really bad, not because for me, because I was a like brightest student. I just used to come to home and read the books and
Okay.
from another teachers. But I felt bad for some of my friends who could be who could be great developers. I just felt like, no, I'm not going to make this thing happen around me ever again. I know some. If you have interest in coding, I'm gonna spark that for you. I'm gonna make you understand everything, because once your basics are clear, you can walk, like you can go and you can learn new things from by yourself.
So my last question would be, how does it feel to nurture a newbie or a beginner programmer to a proper job ready programmer?
Okay, sure. It just reminded me of my past when I was starting my developer journey, and I always felt like someday I will be a teacher, and I won't going to make the mistakes that my trainers and my teachers have done. I always wanted to, like, if I'm gonna teach you something, and someday you just develop something, so it's your achievement is my achievement, because I was the one that have like
supported you
teach
in
you
that
that how to.
path to how to
Yes,
use this.
exactly. And I just felt like it's a good feeling that sometimes like your parents always want to do things for you that they haven't got in their
Yeah.
life. So I just feel like that I'm gonna do things for you that I haven't got that we have never got in our past, because I think before the whole geo thing, there was no material to learn things. So we
Yeah.
have to go to the hard way, from the books, from the teachers, coachings, and all. And now when I can teach you things, I'm gonna
Online,
solve every.
like this right now.
Yes, exactly.
And I'm pretty sure that viewers who are watching this will be inspired and want to become a programmer.
Thank you for having me with you.